To adjust offset and bias using the model cell, make sure that the provided grounding plug for the reference input of the head stage is connected. Set the mode of operation switch to off and the model cell to ground. Look at the potential display. Adjust any offset with the offset potentiometer until the display shows 0. Adjusting the bias current is only necessary every couple of months. For best results, we recommend using a wire to connect the head stage ground to the middle pin of the input BNC connector. Adjust any offsets as shown before. Then, remove the wire and connect the model cell. Put the model cell in seal mode. If the potential display shows any voltage deflection, this is caused by an unbalanced bias current. Adjust the bias potentiometer until the display reads 0. When everything is set correctly, the display should remain at 0 while switching between different resistances in the model cell.